How does Transylvanian Romanian sound? Have you ever wondered what makes the Transylvanian Romanian dialect so unique? Spoken in the picturesque Transylvania region of Romania, this dialect is a fascinating part of Southeast European languages. Let's take a closer look at how it sounds and what sets it apart from other dialects. Transylvanian Romanian is known for its softer consonants. This softening creates a melodic quality in everyday conversation, making it quite pleasant to hear. You might notice that certain consonants, like N, D, and T, are pronounced differently. This phenomenon is called palatalization, and it can vary depending on the specific area within Transylvania. The vocabulary of Transylvanian Romanian is also interesting. It includes many words borrowed from Hungarian and German. This reflects the historical interactions in the region, especially during the Austro-Hungarian period. These borrowed terms add a rich layer to the dialect, showcasing the cultural exchanges that have taken place over centuries. When comparing Transylvanian Romanian to other Romanian dialects, such as Moldavian or Wallachian, you will find some distinct features. For example, Transylvanian Romanian retains certain affricates like th, while it often changes dej to the fricative ej. These differences highlight the unique characteristics of this dialect within the broader Romanian language family. Understanding how Transylvanian Romanian sounds is not just for linguists. It has practical applications in voice acting and language learning. For voice actors, capturing the softer consonants and melodic intonation can help create authentic characters from this region. Language learners can benefit too, as recognizing these distinct features allows for a more nuanced grasp of regional variations in Romanian. In the context of Southeast Europe, Transylvanian Romanian reflects the rich linguistic diversity of the area. Its geographical location and historical interactions with neighboring cultures have shaped its unique sound. This dialect is not just a way of speaking. It is a vibrant part of Transylvania's cultural heritage and identity within Romania and Southeast Europe. So, the next time you hear Transylvanian Romanian, listen closely. You will notice its soft consonants, melodic intonation, and the influence of other languages. It is a beautiful example of how language can evolve and adapt, creating a sound that is truly unique to its region.